absolute value of a number represents the distance of that number from 0 on the number line. Suppose I want to represent the absolute value of 3. It will be written as 2 bar, vertical bar on the both side of 3, and this is the absolute value of 3. And what is the distance from 0 to 3? It is 1, 2, 3 units. So the absolute value will be 3 without any positive or negative sign. Though here we don't have sign, that means it's positive. Here the distance will be represented without any sign before it. Suppose I want to represent the value of the distance of this point, the distance of this point from 0. That means the absolute value of negative 3. Negative 3. So how can we represent? Let's see what is the distance here from here to 0, 0 to this number. How many units apart are they? How many units far from 0? 1, 2, 3. So they are 3 units apart, and this number is 3 units away from 0. That's why the absolute value will be 3 without any sign before it. So the absolute value of positive 3 is 3. Absolute value of negative 3 is also 3. This is the distance from 0 to that specific number, the distance between them. Okay. So what will be the absolute value of negative 4? The distance is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So the absolute value will be 4. Now when you have this kind of absolute value to find out, it is actually easy. Just write without any sign. The logic we have just seen. But when you have some kind of calculations inside the absolute value, suppose negative 4 plus 2, then you have to do the calculations first, then you have to find the absolute value. So what you will do? You will do the calculations inside. You have negative 2 inside. Now you will find the absolute value of negative 2, that is 2. Suppose you have negative 5, negative 3, and you have to find the absolute value. But before that, you will do the calculation. You get negative 8, and the absolute value of negative 8 will be 8. Suppose you have 5 plus 3. Then do the calculations first. 8 you get inside, and the absolute value of 8 will be 8. That's it. Thank you.